Hello, genealogists. This is Craig again with Just Genealogy. One of our subscribers sent in some information about an event at the Vicksburg Cemetery that I wanted to share with you today, and something that I learned along the way in doing that. So let's get right to it. So, what I'm talking about is a headstone cleaning event at the Vicksburg National Cemetery on April 20. Let me look close to make sure I have it right. 23rd. Starts at 7:30. That's when check-in is, and it lasts from 8 to 12. And you get a free lunch. I always enjoy a free lunch. So anyway, for those of you unfamiliar with the Vicksburg National Cemetery, it's located in Vicksburg, and it's the final resting place for nearly 18,000 U.S. veterans, 17,000 of them being Union Civil War soldiers. It's a rather large number for a national cemetery for Union soldiers. I just visited Chalmette National Cemetery last week in New Orleans, and I was truly kind of upset with how dirty the headstones were, and I wondered what can you possibly do about that. And I thought to myself, well, you clean them. And then it dawned on me that every cleaning thing I ever heard of, nobody ever liked. So anyway, this headstone cleaning event piqued my interest, so I went a little deeper. And it turns out that working alongside National Park Service preservation staff and park rangers, volunteers will utilize a special cleaning solution to return each historic veteran headstone to its brilliant white color just in time for Memorial Day. And I thought to myself, what special cleaning solution could this possibly be? And I just realized that, in fact, this event was sponsored by the National Park Service and D/2 Biological Solution. And I thought to myself, what is that? I've never heard of that before. So I did a little bit more research, and I found that it was real, and the National Park Service is in favor of it. So, in regards to this headstone cleaning event, there is a website, and I'll put the URL in the description below in regards to how to volunteer at Vicksburg, and this is a way to do it. Now, they have two different forms that they want you to fill out. One if you're 18 or older, and one if you're under 18. And I don't know how many miles I would travel to do that. It's a little bit far for me to get from North Carolina to Vicksburg, but if it's an annual event, I might put it on my schedule just for fun. It's also being written up in the local news, so there is information out there in the Vicksburg area, but I'm sure it doesn't get too far away from there. So to bring it all together and end the Vicksburg part, there is a headstone cleaning event on April 23rd. Check-in is at 7:30 a.m. You're going to clean headstones from 8 to 12 under the supervision of the National Park Service preservation staff and their rangers, and you will get a free lunch. If any of you attend, please let me know what that free lunch was actually made up of, just for fun. So let's talk for a minute about that solution. So I went out to their website, and you can find it just by Googling D/2 Biological Solution. And I saw this picture of a tombstone, and it looks pretty clean to me, comparatively speaking. So I thought this is a good thing. So let me read farther and make sure that I'm still assured that this is really what they say it is. But anyway, it's a biodegradable, easy to use liquid that removes stains from mold, algae, mildew, lichens, and air pollutants. I used to have a closet that probably would have benefited from that. It's effective on marble, granite, limestone, brownstone, travertine, whatever that is, masonry, terracotta, concrete, stucco, wood, and other architectural surfaces, including monuments, sculptures, and headstones. And basically, you put it on for 10 to 15 minutes, followed by scrubbing with a soft nylon or natural bristle brush, and that will loosen most biological and air pollutant staining. So anyway, I'm going to go get some. It's, by the way, I'm not being compensated for endorsing this product. I just found it and I thought it interesting that the National Park Service believed in it. So there we are. I'm going to go get some and try it out. Maybe someday in the future I'll let you know how it worked for me. But again, don't forget that Headstone and cleaning event if you're anywhere near Vicksburg. And that's on the 23rd of April. Just a short one today, trying to catch up for my trip to New Orleans. So this is Craig saying this is just genealogy, where we convert people doing genealogy into genealogists day by day. Thank you all very much. I appreciate you. We're now over 1,000 views. That's significant as far as I'm concerned. Tell your friends. And if you're close to Vicksburg or know anybody in Vicksburg, tell them those Union soldiers need to have their headstones whitened. Thank you so much.